Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I use MARLEY twist to help grow out my hair. If you guys are interested in this video, then stay tuned. So the first couple of clips in this video is just to show you guys the current length of my hair, and also I'm going to show you guys my moisturizing routine that's helped me to retain length and has helped me also to reduce hair damage due to my hair being in MARLEY twist for a long period of time. So currently my MARLEY twists have been in for 2 months. I'm trying to challenge myself for 4 months. So in this video I'm just going to be redoing the front part of my twist just because right now I don't have time to redo my whole head and I have to go to work later. So I'm just going to do the front because that's what people see first, and right now I got a lot of new growth in, and I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize my hair strands. So I'm going to be showing you guys my hair moisturizing routine. This routine has really helped me to grow out my hair as well as retain length, and has also helped me to reduce hair damage. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be using on my hair. So I'm just going to be using plain old water. I'm going to be using the Urban Hydration Jamaican Castor Oil Curl Cream. I also got this cream from TJ Maxx. I'm going to also be using Shea Moisture's Curling Souffle, which is actually, like, I bought it last month and it was my first time using it, and I really enjoy this. I really enjoy the souffle. Then I'm going to be using my henna and amla oil. I will show you guys how I make it. I'll put it in the description box. I have a video on it. So first what I like to do is I'll take out the MARLEY twist. I like to use MARLEY hair because it's similar to my hair texture, and also I like how it makes my hair look a lot more fuller versus me just twisting my own natural hair. So what I like to do is I like to go in with the water and just kind of soak my hair strands, and also it helps me to finger detangle my hair, and also helps me to get rid of loosen up the buildup that's at the roots due to me like greasing my scalp and using gel and all that stuff. So this is how my hair looks like with just water in it. And I'm also showing you the length of my hair in the front. Then I go in with a dime size of the Jamaican Castor Oil Curling Cream. I like to focus on my ends and then work my way up to the roots. So right now I'm just showing you how my the texture of my hair with just the curling cream. And then I'm going to go in with my amla and henna oil, and I'm going to shake it up because the oil kind of separated from the henna and the amla. And then I'm going to mainly focus this on my ends and then work my way up to the roots. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with the Shea Moisture's Curling Souffle. I just like to use this at the end because I feel like it just kind of locks in all that moisture from the water, the curling cream, and the amla oil. This step is pretty much optional, but but I like to use it because also since I'm going to put my hair back into the Marley twist, it also helps to give it more of a sleek look. And I'm showing you guys what my curl pattern looks with all 3 items, well, not 3, 4 items in my hair. So I'm going to continue to do all 4 of these steps to the front row of my hair, and then when I have a day off or I have time or whatever, I'm just going to do the rest of my head, and that is my moisturizing routine.
What we do here is go back.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up, share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.